Hi and welcome to D3P. It's a while ago. We have had some actions here on the channel, but we will be back with more 3D printing from now on. What you're looking on here is, matter of fact, my CNC dash laser engraving project that I'm working on, but that's not what we will talk of by today. It's mainly because of this project that I decided to buy an additional 3D printer. My Creality Ender 4 has been really a great workhorse since 2017, and she's still going strong. But I came into a situation where she was too small for the parts that I needed also in this project. So it was time for me to buy an additional 3D printer, and I came on the D9 Mark II and investigated a little bit on it. It's from Wanhao, and Wanhao is, I think, a respected company. I never had a printer from them, but now it will be the first time. So I did a little bit of research on the Wanhao on the internet, and especially on YouTube, and I also found some quite negative aspect about the printer, and it seems somehow weird to me because of the construction of the Mark II and the construction of the printer all in all, and also the fact that it was Wanhao that was building this printer. So anyway, I decided to buy this printer because I don't think it can be that bad, and I did buy the 400 by 400 by 400 millimeter size that is in the printer. In the middle they have a 300 by 500 version. It's the smallest of the D9, and the biggest is the 500 by 500 by 500. But the 400 by 400 was enough for me. So why did I choose the Mark II then? Because what I really found out is that there is optimized fan for better cooling of the filament in the Mark II. And I think this was some of the problems, so Wanhao has been solving it for that. And another thing that I really liked with the D9 is the magnetic print bed. This means you have on the one side it's simply magnetic. You put it on the bed and it's clean. And on the one side it has a PVC coated thing, and on the other side, you can use both sides, it's glitter glass. And I'm really thrilled to try this out, also to get these big things off the bed. It's much more easy because you can now lift up this magnetic plate and it's flexible, so I just break it and it should fall off. I will see. And the third thing that I liked a lot is the bed leveling is with BL Touch. And the BL Touch has a physical pin that comes out, and this means you can use almost whatever surface adhesions you want, because it will be measured with a pin in the BL Touch. And on my Creality I have this normal what you use that is acting on metal in a certain height, but if you want to print on glass or something else, it's rather very difficult. The fourth thing that I really liked with the D9 is it seems to have a very strong construction. Big 40 by 40 millimeter irons here. They seem to make it very stable, and that's also one thing that is extremely necessary if you want nice prints. And the fifth thing was the screen. It's an LCD touch screen on it. It's an HD quality, and I also like that. I think it's faster to access the screen, not because it should be fast, but it's a little bit more modern. It's with colors. It looks quite nice, and it's also a nice upgrade from what I have had before. And the sixth thing that I liked a lot, it was this print resume. This means if the power goes, you can simply continue after the power comes back. And this is also a thing that was I wanted to have on my next printer. So all in all, I have ordered it. I will wait some few days, and you will be very welcome to come back and see when we put it together and try to print with it, and hopefully we can get some of this bad reputation of this printer be pushed back so it becomes to be a good printer. So, well, I hope to see you next year, and I want to wish you a happy new year and happy printing, and stay tuned for more 3D printing. Bye bye.